Hey guys, and welcome to How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to download the Bumble dating app. Now let's begin. Let us switch over to our mobile device and let us go to Play Store. On the Play Store, you can search for the Bumble app and simply click on Search. Once the search is successful, you will be greeted by something like this. That is the Bumble app. Its name is Bumble Dating App and Friends. Simply click on it to get more information regarding it. And once everything is okay, simply click on Install. It's installing right now. As you can see, the app has successfully installed. Now open it by clicking this button that is open. Let's click on it. And there you have it, guys. That is how you download the Bumble app on your mobile device. Thanks for tuning in. We appreciate your time. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell icon for notifications, and stay tuned for more exciting content coming your way. Your support fuels us. Until next time.